What's going on, guys? It is Ben, Casey, and Brittany from SoCo Car Channel here. We are at Boathouse and right in our home of SoCo, Anne Arundel County, and I am bringing you guys the very first car show of the year.
Yes, sir.
We drug the black car out here. We got Hades out here. So this is probably gonna be a shorter video because it's a pretty small car meet. But felt like bringing
thing.
Yeah, just a little, you know,
Just a little local thing, you know. Gotta support the local things.
Yeah. So, shit, let's get into today's video. Figured I gotta get this when it leaves for Jim.
That's a no-brainer. We ain't gonna give them that. But I'll just be curious to see how far they research it. Like, wait a minute, you don't have a kernel at 57.7 and then fuck say, oh, contraire. I'd imagine when they run that number, and I'll see which one it is. Everything remains safe. I can't do it, people tell me to do it, son.
This Corvette has an absolutely beautiful orange color on it. Which it changes shades of orange while in the sun. This is the 06. And then that's America right there. Which, if anybody wants to know, this thing is for sale. Beautiful looking El Camino. The scale of it into perspective, I'm 6'1". That's crazy. Like, the tire is literally almost as tall as me. Insane. Nice white Chevy Nova, looks beautiful. I feel like it's actually a matte white. Look at that, that's pretty. There's a Brittany. Shadow and Hades over there. Casey's over there talking about the Monte Carlo. We all know how much Casey loves G-bodies. Beautiful Corvette. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. I love the green on this. Tan interior. Works really well with this car. Beautiful, beautiful. Obviously, you guys saw the silver Z28. Cool you got a, I think, a 6th gen Camaro right next to our 1st gen Camaro. This car's got a minor cam in it. It's got the definitely splash shield delete, kind of like Shadow does. Beautiful, beautiful car. I love the blue and carbon on it. Beautiful. And I don't know about anybody, but I love the old-timey look of the paint work. Just clear. Shit, I mean, it doesn't even have clear coat on it. Beautiful. Looks so good. It sounds fantastic too. But it looks like our guy Luke over here showed up in his twin turbo Silverado. Like I said, not a really big meet, but just enough to have an excuse to come out here.
My dad backed into it, but it's fixed now.
Oh, okay.
I got
is it-
Kenny to.
Is it tuned now? He said it wasn't tuned too.
Oh, I don't know what he's doing. It's tuned, but
Stock as fuck.
it's probably. I think I.
It is stock as beautiful. I think it's a 62 Impala. It's that gorgeous red interior. Look at that. That's beautiful. 5-speed, black car, obviously. White Chevy Impala, a Brittany. Look at that. And then we have the black car and Hades out here at Boathouse. Obviously, Hades has gotten a lot more looks than the black car. So, but yep. Hades looks absolutely fantastic. Which, we're getting more parts tonight, right?
Yes, we are.
And a wild Casey.
Wow, okay.
Hi. Hi. Which Casey's actually driving Hades today, so what do you think?
I want one.
Said every Chevy guy ever.
With this specific setup, the 410 rear gear on it, it wakes it up.
She purdy. He looks real good on camera too. All right, well,
Oh,
what'd you do?
it died.
Babe died.
It died.
But all right, y'all. Like I said, it's gonna be a really short video, but it's just enough to bring you guys a little bit of content,
Just a little bit.
a smidgen. So, you are driving a Mustang with a GTR shirt.
Yes.
It all
Yes,
makes
I
sense.
am. At an all-America car show, pretty much.
It all makes sense.
It all makes sense.
It doesn't, but okay.
And details.
Details. All right, y'all. Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and see you in the next one.
Real quick PSA, Hades is going back into hibernation for now. Brittany is actually out there with Dad ordering the final parts for the car so we can start working on it. So the next time you guys will see Hades will be when we get it in the shop and we start
working
tearing
on
it
it.
apart. So as for that, like I said in the Texas 2K video, if you guys don't mind, if you've made it this far, please hit that like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We work really hard on our videos. We're still a very small channel, but remember, our goal at the end of the year is 1,000 subs by December 31st. So let's see if we can make it happen. We know we're going to do our damnedest,
We're
and we
try our hardest.
are going to bring you guys some badass content this year. This is just the start. That was the very first show of the year, so we decided to keep it a little bit small, a little bit of a shorter video as opposed to like the 35, 45-minute long videos that we've been posting. So then you guys can make it through a video relatively easily. Get to check out some really sick looking Chevys as well as the two Fords that were there. Oh, except for the other, two Fords? I think there was so Casey drove Hades.
There's, I think, a total of 3 Fords there.
Well, Casey got to drive Hades for the first time.
Yep.
So Brittany had jury duty today, so she had to
meet us at the show from her jury duty.
And she somehow gave me permission to drive the Queen of SoCo's car.
Wow,
so.
she's the queen of SoCo Car Channel. I don't give a shit what she says. But, all right, guys, that's going to end up doing it for today's video. Really, I promise this time. So, like I said, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. All right.
Fighting for your life, suffering inside, taking one more breath just to survive. Pain will be your guide to peace that you can find. It's always darkest just before the light. If you can see the other side. Say you hit rock bottom, yeah, I've been there too. Give it all you got, but you can never break through. Yeah, it's always too much or never enough. There's no